Hello Steno candidates, I am Ravina. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Lotus Steno Legal Matters. I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matters. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. More particularly, it connotes reckless driving and the injured must always prove that the either side is negligent stop. If the injury rather death is caused by something owned or controlled by the negligent party, then he is directly liable. Otherwise, the principle of res ipsa loquitur, meaning thereby the things speak for itself, would apply. Stop. The principle of contributory negligence has been discussed time and again. Stop. A person who either contributes or is co-author or the accident would be liable for his contribution to the accident having taken place, and that amount will be deducted from the compensation payable to him if he is injured, and to legal representatives if he dies in the accident. Stop. Next para. Negligence means failure to exercise required degree of care and caution expected of a prudent driver. Stop. Negligence is the omission to do something which a reasonable man, guided upon the considerations, which ordinarily regulate conduct of human affairs, would do, or doing something which a prudent and reasonable man would not do. Stop. Negligence is not always a question of direct evidence. Stop. It is an inference to be drawn from proved facts. Stop. Negligence is not an absolute term. Stop. But is a relative one. Stop. It is rather a comparative terms. Stop. What may be negligence in one case may not be so in another. Stop. Where there is no duty to exercise care. Stop. Negligence in the popular scenes has no legal consequence. Stop. Where there is a duty to exercise care, reasonable care must be taken to avoid acts or omissions which would be reasonably foreseen likely to cause physical injury to person. Stop. The degree of care required, of course depends upon facts in each case. Stop. On these broad principles, the negligence of drivers is required to be assessed. Stop. Next para. It would be seen that burden of proof for contributory negligence on the part of deceased has to be discharged by the opponents. Stop. It is the duty of driver of the offending vehicle to explain the accident. Stop. It is well settled law that at intersection where two roads cross each other, it is the duty of a fast moving vehicle to slow down, and if driver did not slow down at intersection, but continued to proceed at a high speed without caring to notice that another vehicle was crossing, then the conduct of driver necessarily leads to conclusion that vehicle was being driven by him rashly as well as negligently. Stop. 10th schedule appended to Motor Vehicle Act contain statutory regulations for driving of motor vehicles which also form part of every driving license stop. Next para, next dictation. Taking the view that it was the wife who was in the wrong and that the husband's conduct was not blameworthy at any time, the learned magistrate dismissed the wife's application for maintenance stop, but with no order as to costs stop. In the revision application filed by the wife, the learned additional session judge has not found it possible to find fault with the findings of the learned magistrate relating to the initial adamance and obstinacy of the wife herself stop. In fact, in para 8 of his judgment, he stated that the findings have not been seriously challenged before him by the wife at all stop. Moreover, he has specifically observed that the evidence in that behalf has been rightly appreciated by the learned magistrate stop. In other words, those findings have been confirmed by the learned additional sessions judge stop, but the learned judge rightly addressed himself to the legal position arising out of the explanation to section 125 within bracket C of the Code of Criminal Procedure stop. With reference to the said provisions, he referred to certain authorities and came to the conclusion that if the husband has married a second wife, the first wife was entitled to live separately from him as a matter of right and still claim maintenance stop. In this connection, he relied upon the judgment of this court in AIR 1956 Bombay 48 stop. He also referred to the judgment of the Supreme Court in AIR 1977 SC 1488 and the judgment of the Gujarat High Court in 1983 Criminal Law Journal 1382 stop. Relying upon the authorities, the learned judge came to the conclusion that once the petitioner husband has contracted the second marriage, a right came into existence in favor of the first wife to separate from him and to claim maintenance from him at the same stop. Next para. The learned judge thereafter examined the evidence relating to the financial capacity of the husband and awarded maintenance to respondent number 1 wife at the rate of rupees 150 per month and to the child at the rate of rupees 50 per month. He also awarded costs to the respondent number 1 wife, which is quantified at rupees 75 stop. When this petition reached hearing, Mr. Qadar, the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner's husband, made it clear that he was cautioning the right of the child, respondent number 2, as regards the maintenance stop. He has restricted his petition only to the question of legality of the order in favor of the